Hello friends, no is a common word which we use in our everyday life. But instead of simply saying no every time, there are different ways in which we can say no. So let's improve our vocabulary and learn better ways to say no. Let's take a situation. Can you lend me your books? No. Simply saying no may sound impolite and rude. No, no, no. But please do remember it is okay to say no. Don't feel guilty saying no. We can learn how to say no in a better way. Can you lend me your books? A different way to say no. Sorry, not now. Let's see some different casual ways of saying no. If someone asks you, may I go there? You could always reply with, not now, nope, not possible. Let's take another question. If your friend asks you, is he a good singer? Certainly not. Not likely. No way. Now let's take a formal situation. Can you help me with the speech? No. You could say, I'm honored but I can't. As you can see, this is a better way to say no. Let's learn different polite ways of saying no. If your grandmother asks you, would you like to have some cake? You can reply with, no thanks. I think I'll pass. Not today, thanks. Not for me, thanks. You could also say, maybe another time, or unfortunately not. If only I could. Sorry, it's not my thing. Let's take another scenario. Suppose your friend asks you, would you like to join me for a movie? You could reply with, apologies, but I can't make it. Sadly, I have something else. Thanks for asking, but I can't. I'd love to, but can't. Sorry, I have another commitment. Or you could say, I wish I could make it work. So, you've learned different ways or better ways of saying no in both a casual setting and a formal setting. Thanks a lot for watching.